Well. Alrighty, everyone. Welcome back. Well, today we're doing something really interesting. So I'm using Discord and I'm on this random server. It's like an English server. So people are learning English on this server. So the thing that we're going to be doing is that we're going to talk to random people on Discord in English. And, we're trying to have some normal conversation. And, yep, we're all learning, right? And that's the purpose of my YouTube channel. We're learning English. We're going to talk to them. Let's see how it goes. And what they think about, the server and what they think about English and how are they doing it so far. We're going to talk about it. So this right here is a random VC that I'm in. And I'm just waiting for someone to join in. Let's see. Hello. What's up?
Are you an English teacher?
We said what?
Are you an English teacher?
I mean, well, not really like an English teacher, but I mean, not really professionally, but I do talk to people. If there's something they want to know, I would try to help them. Yep.
Ah,
But like
and
I,
you are Indian. That's why you know how to speak Hindi.
mhm, yes.
Oh,
So I
that's
speak Hindi.
nice.
I speak Hindi and English. I speak two languages. What about you? How many languages do you speak?
I speak two languages too.
Hmm. And
I
what are
think
they?
so.
What are they?
That English and my local language as well.
Hmm. So what's your native language?
I couldn't say that. I prefer to keep it. Can
Or
I?
you don't? Or you don't want to say it? That's fine. You have to say it.
What?
I mean, it's fine if you don't want to say it. That's what I said.
Yeah.
But the thing is,
Okay.
I can try to guess your like ethnicity, like where you from and
Okay.
your country, if you want.
Sure. Take a guess if you want.
All right. So, well, the way you talk, you sound like you're Asian. You're from Asia, right?
Indeed, I am.
Wait, you're not.
I am.
All right.
I'm
So you're
telling you,
Asian.
I am.
All right. So if you're Asian and if you're on Discord on this server, I think you got to be from Indonesia.
But I'm not.
All right. You're not from Indonesia. Okay. So are you from
Indeed.
Southeast?
That's a really good one, cause anyone else said that you sounds really Indonesian, and they told me that, oh, you're probably from Indonesia, but I'm not. But sometimes I just tell them, yeah,
No.
cause I'm
Well,
so tired of that.
no. Well, to be honest, let me tell you this. That's not the reason I said it's Indonesia. The only reason I said it because I've been here on the server for quite a bit, and most people that I talk with, like mostly females that I talk with, they're from Indonesia. And the way you sound like you
Oh,
also you also sound like you have that accent from Southeast Asia. That's why I said it.
indeed, I am. But actually, I talk with a lot of girls too,
Mhm.
and they're not just from Indonesia. There's some from Thailand, Filipino.
So you're not my second
They
guess. My second guess was actually Filipino, but you're not Filipino.
Granada as well. Let's guess.
All right, so you're from Asia, but you're not from Indonesia. You're not from Philippines, right?
Mm.
So
So where I
are you
am?
like are you like from Southeast Asia or like you're from
Indeed, I am.
you're from Southeast
I
Asia?
was still, yeah, Southeast Asia,
Thailand. You're from Thailand.
but I'm not. Not
Dude,
either.
what? Where are you from?
I prefer to didn't talk about it.
Maybe you're from China. I mean, I
But it's not Southeast Asia as well.
Taiwan, Hong Kong.
It's not Southeast Asia, I think.
All right, so you're from Malaysia, Singapore.
I prefer to didn't to keep it.
So you're from Singapore. You're from Singapore.
The point is, I prefer to keep it because I already gave you three chance for that,
Mm-hmm. All right, so
and
you don't want me
you
to guess it,
still the same.
or you don't want me to guess it.
Yeah, I already gave you three opportunities, bro. What do you mean? I already gave you three opportunities for that. Okay.
All right, so maybe I shouldn't guess it anymore.
Yeah, please,
All right, so
please stop to
all right,
guess. I
let's
mean,
talk. All right, you know what? Let's talk about. Let's not make it awkward. Let's talk about something really different, if you don't want it. So,
yeah,
like,
sure, sure.
how was your day so far? I mean, you're from Southeast Asia, so it's got to be evening for you. Maybe it's nighttime for you.
Yeah,
How's your day been?
Actually, there's nothing really happened and significant
Mm-hmm.
since it's, you know,
Mm-hmm.
it's a weekend here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So
Yep.
I just stay at home
Mm-hmm.
doing not really think. I just do reading as usual, sleep,
Mm-hmm.
and some activities, doing my homework as well,
Mm-hmm.
and that's all. How was yours? I'm
Hello.
saying I'm doing my homework.
I mean, look, you said it's your weekend, and it will be only your weekend if you're
Yeah,
working. I mean, if you're in school, if you're in college, you wouldn't say that, right? It's the only
it
term
is
that you
our
use.
weekend.
I
It's
mean,
a
that's the only.
weekend. What
I
do
mean,
you
look.
mean?
I mean, look. I mean, look. That's the only. I mean, I know it's the weekend. I know. I know. All right. But the word weekend,
Mhm.
you would only use that word weekend if you're working, right? If you're in office, if you do some job, or maybe you're doing
No,
some business.
we
If you're in
also
school, if you're in high school, you wouldn't use that word.
we
Mm-hmm.
usually talk like that.
All right. I believe that. I believe that.
Uh, what
All
do
right. So
you
what do you?
mean?
All right. So what do you study? What do you study?
Senior school.
Are you in high school? How come? That's cool.
Yeah, I supposed to didn't say that, but that's also
I
fine.
mean, you already said it. Look, we've been talking for about the past 10 minutes, and you already told me a lot of stuff.
Yeah, that's why I have to stop saying that, I think.
Hmm.
Hello, everyone.
Yo, what's up?
There's a lot of people.
Yep, there's a lot of people, and they're not talking because I think they just want to hear your voice, the way you talk. They kind of like your voice.
Why?
I know.
That's creepy.
Have
No,
you guys
no,
ever
that's
tried?
not true.
Have you guys ever tried something like this? It's called banana chip.
I
It's
know
like an
that
Indian chip. Like it's like some Indian chips, or maybe crisp, whatever you call
Indian
it.
chips.
Hmm.
It's also banana chips here.
Hmm. I know you're from.
Yeah.
I know you're from Asia. You're from Southeast Asia.
Yeah. What do you mean? Are you trying to be racist?
I'm not being racist. I just want to know your country. I was trying to guess it. Pushing you really hard to know because you're not telling me. I'm using different
Why?
methods. I'm using different method for you to
Hmm.
tell me your country. Like it's
Oh
I
wow.
know for sure. I know for sure that you would say it. Like it's gonna slip out of your mouth.
Oh wow. Let's see. A
Dude,
really good challenge.
dude, I know a lot of method.
Oh wow. Seems like you are really professional.
No, I'm not. What's up,
You
Thomas?
are.
Thomas, what's up? How are you doing?
No,
We
bro.
got some new people.
Just away.
Mhm.
Are you Indian?
Mhm. Yes.
He is. You can see his face, and he is, of course.
I made it
You,
really obvious. I have it right there on my profile. It says English and Hindi teacher.
you live in India?
Mhm. Yes.
Really?
Mhm. Where
You
about you?
have
Where are
no
you from?
accent, bro.
Really?
Yeah,
Yeah, I mean, I was trying to work on it. I've been learning it for quite a bit. You know,
you're pretty
talking to
good, bro.
people. Yep. I mean, you sound
He's
pretty
not
good.
pretty. He's good.
All right, so I'm not pretty.
Good.
All right.
No, I'm not saying that. The point is, he's saying that you are pretty enough. I'm saying that it's not pretty. It's
Yeah,
not
I'm
quite
not
enough,
pretty to be
okay?
honest. I'm not really handsome.
No.
It's just good, but like it's not really pretty. That's what you
Okay,
mean.
you're handsome. Okay, good. You're
Dude,
handsome.
I
I'm
don't.
giving you
Dude,
a
Yeah,
compliment,
you're
okay?
handsome,
now
bro.
you're making really
You're
now you're making it really awkward for me to be honest. Dude, I have my cameras on.
What do you mean, bro? I'm just saying because you said I'm not pretty, so it makes me feel guilty, okay? I feel so bad because I'm
Mm,
saying that. I feel so sassy. I'm like,
exactly. I want you to feel bad. There you go. It's
oh,
working.
bro, a really good one. And after that, you will ask me that, oh, where are you from? Indeed, a really good method.
Hmm. No, dude, I'm just kidding.